Okay, I've come out on my boat this morning. Normally this is something that I plan, and I've been caught out this morning with the weather. I normally check it, but the lake's all choppy. It's chucking it down with rain. There's quite a few jet skis on there, and it's going to make it really difficult. So I'm going to go to another lake. What's my point? So similarly to when you get in your car, you're going to go get in your car, put the sat nav on, or get a map out, or whatever that is, and you're going to have a plan to make that journey. Now, likening this to a development, have you ever been and bought a property, got the keys, and then just opened the front door and started ripping it out, you know, without a plan or anything? We've just made a start because we've got the keys and we're so excited and keen to get going. That's what's happened to me this morning. You know, I've come out here, and I didn't expect or anticipate any of this, and you know, I'm snookered now on this particular body of water. I've got my plan B and I can go somewhere else. My point being, having that plan is absolutely key to your success. So, you know, don't just jump in there both feet first, open that front door, start ripping it out, and find all sorts of other problems that you didn't anticipate, you haven't planned for. You know, you need to get all that plan in place. Make sure you don't run out of money. Make sure you've got deadlines and targets to hit. Otherwise, it's just going to take forever, and you'll end up just meandering through the project rather than having milestones and goals checking on. So we need the very basics in place before we start. A program of works, a schedule, cash flow, a specification, all of those things that are going to see that project return you the margins that you want. It's going to run effectively, it's going to run efficiently, it's going to be stress-free, and you're going to be legal and compliant. So just make sure you get all those ducks in a row before you start. Don't just jump in like I have done this morning and get caught in the rain, as it were.